Alex.
Hello! Today I will help my mom at home. I make my bed. I clean the dresser. I clean the mirror. I sweep the floor. I mop the kitchen floor. I wash the sink. I take out the trash. That's my helpful boy. I put the clothes in the washing machine. I water the plants. I set the table. I arrange the cushions.
You're doing a great job.
I put the books on the shelf. I clean the rug. I pick up the trash. There, all clean. I arrange my books. I wipe the table. I clean the bathroom counter. I fold my clothes. I carry the plates to the sink.
Okay, sweetie, be careful. Great job, Alex.
I rake the leaves.
You're doing a wonderful job, Alex.
Thanks, Mom. I wipe the coffee table.
That's wonderful, Alex.
Look, I'm helping the flowers grow.
Yes, you're doing a great job.
Now for the other side. Wonderful. I put the vegetables in the bowl.
That's it. Good job, Alex.
I clean my desk. Our house is clean. I put the dishes on the rack.
That's wonderful, Alex.
This one goes here.
Perfect.
All done. I fold the towel. I hang the shirt on the line. All done. I fix the carpet. You're doing a great job. Everything is clean now. I drink milk.
Yes, you do.
Thank you. I sit with my mom.
Yes, you do, sweetie.
I walk with my mom. I look at the plants.
They look so healthy, Alex.
I watered them. I put the fruit in the bowl. What a big help you are. I arrange the books. I water the flowers. I fix the picture. Our house looks great. I put the water in the fridge. I put my toy in the basket. I water the tree.
You're doing a great job, Alex.
I sharpen my pencil. Goodbye. See you soon.